We take air conditioning for granted until the middle of July when it stops working and your car turns into a rolling sauna. If you scan your system and find code P06A1, you are dealing with a variable AC compressor control circuit low. This isn't your grandfather's air conditioning system. Back in the day, the compressor just clicked on and off. It was either 100% power or zero. Modern cars are smarter. They use variable displacement compressors that can run at 10%, 50%, or whatever is needed to keep the cabin temperature perfect without wasting fuel. This is controlled by a solenoid valve on the compressor that receives a signal from the engine control unit. This code specifically says circuit low, which usually translates to I tried to send power but it went nowhere. It often indicates a short to ground or an open wire. Your first step isn't to buy a can of refrigerant from the auto parts store. That won't fix an electrical problem. You need to locate the compressor, which is usually buried at the bottom of the engine. Look at the electrical connector. Is it soaked in oil from a leak above it? Oil can ruin the connection. Are the pins inside bent or green with corrosion? If the plug looks good, you need to check the continuity of the wires back to the computer. It is tedious work, but it beats spending hundreds on a new compressor you don't need. Also, keep in mind that on some vehicles, if the refrigerant pressure is dangerously low or high, the computer will disable this circuit to save the compressor. So hooking up a set of manifold gauges to check your pressures is still a necessary step. If the pressures are good and the wiring is perfect, then and only then should you suspect the internal control valve in the compressor has failed.